Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today we're diving into something that promises to elevate your hair care routine, the amika The Confidante Moisture Maintenance Styler. Now, we all know how crucial it is to keep our hair frizz-free and full of moisture, especially in these humid months. But does this flat iron really live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The amika The Confidante Styler isn't just your standard flat iron. It's designed with a couple of cool features aimed at maintaining moisture and cutting down frizz. It uses an infrared light beam that helps to lock in moisture while styling, which is ideal for those of us who struggle with dry, brittle hair. Plus, there's an ion projector that emits negative ions to seal your cuticles, making the hair smoother and shinier with every pass. When I first tried this, I was curious how the infrared technology would really work in practice. Typically, moisture-maintaining tools are either too bulky or don't live up to their promises. But with the Confidante, I found the heat distribution to be super even, and the ceramic plates gave that smooth glide I'm always looking for. My hair felt softer and much shinier than usual, and the frizz was noticeably reduced by the time I was finished styling. One of the things I really appreciate is how quickly it heats up. No waiting around. It's ready to go in just a few seconds, which is a huge plus if you're always on the go. The design is sleek, and even though it's a flat iron, it's lightweight enough that I didn't feel like I was dragging a heavy tool across my hair. I also noticed that even when I straightened the thicker sections of my hair, I didn't have to go over them multiple times. That's a win in my book. But no product is perfect, and the amika The Confidante isn't without a couple of drawbacks. While the infrared light beam is an interesting concept, I didn't feel it made a huge difference in terms of moisture retention. Perhaps it's something that becomes more noticeable with consistent long-term use. Also, while it's great for regular styling, I wouldn't necessarily recommend it for super curly hair that requires high heat for straightening. It can work, but you might need to go over the sections more than once to get that ultra-sleek finish. Now, let's talk about value for money. The amika The Confidante comes in at a premium price. But considering the high-quality ceramic plates and the innovative tech involved, it feels worth the investment, especially if you're someone who prioritizes moisture retention and frizz control. If you're looking for something on the lower end, there are alternatives, but none of them really nail the moisture balancing technology like this one does. As for the build quality, this tool feels solid. The ceramic plates seem durable, and the overall construction is well made. It doesn't feel flimsy at all, which for a tool you're using on your hair is essential. Plus, with the right care, it should last for quite a while. I also had a quick look at the brand's customer support, and amika is generally known for being responsive and helpful. I didn't personally need to reach out, but from reviews I've read, customers seem satisfied with how quickly issues are addressed, which is always a good sign when you're investing in higher-end products. So, what's the final verdict? The amika The Confidante Moisture Maintenance Styler is a solid performer for those looking to maintain smooth, moisturized, and frizz-free hair. It's perfect for people with normal hair types who want a reliable tool that's effective and easy to use. If you're someone with very thick or coarse hair, you might want to explore something with higher heat settings. But for most people, this will be an absolute game changer in your styling routine. Mid-review call to action: is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've tried the Confidante Styler, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and how it worked for you. I'd love to hear your experiences with this product. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.